Hello and welcome to my boat driving course.
Let's go!
When you push it forward, you go forward. When you push it backward, you go backward. As we are moving forward right now. This is where a fish finder goes. It shows how fast you're going, your fuel. I think this is the battery. When you turn on the boat, it'll show all of these lights red, and then it should turn them off. And that's a hydraulic system. This is like a stereo radio thing. And there's the trolling motor. You use a remote to control it, and it just makes you go really slow to fish. This is a storage area. Thank you all so much for watching my talent of driving a boat. And I hope you all have a great rest of your day. And enjoy your summer break. I think it's summer break. Yeah, just enjoy it.